Hello. Welcome to AIK IT Support. Today, I would like to discuss 10 facts about the IT industry that you must know. If you are first time here, do subscribe to our channel and share your views via the comments below. First fact, the IT industry is one of the fastest growing industries in the world, with a projected growth rate of over 4% annually. Second fact is the global IT industry is expected to be worth over $5 trillion by 2025. Third fact is the United States is the largest IT market in the world, accounting for more than 30% of the total global IT spending. Fourth fact is the top IT companies in the world include Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Google, and Facebook. Fifth fact is cloud computing is a rapidly growing area within the IT industry, with spending on cloud services expected to exceed $500 billion by 2023. Sixth fact is cybersecurity is a major concern for businesses and governments around the world, with global spending on cybersecurity expected to reach $170 billion by 2022. Seventh fact is the IT industry employs millions of people around the world, with many high-paying jobs available in areas such as software development, data analytics, and cybersecurity. Eighth fact is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning is becoming increasingly prevalent in the IT industry, with applications ranging from voice recognition to self-driving cars. Ninth fact is the Internet of Things, IoT, is another area of rapid growth within the IT industry, with billions of devices now connected to the Internet, including smart homes, wearables, and industrial equipment. And the last fact, which is the 10th fact, is the IT industry is driving innovation in many other industries, including healthcare, finance, and education, and is playing a key role in shaping the future of work and society as a whole. Are you planning to join an IT company? Then you must learn about PowerShell and automation. You can buy the multiple PowerShell scripts bundle made by Joy Banerjee, which can lead you to next level at your workplace. Compare with other co-works, you will stand out. For more information, join the free group today link in the description.